guys, we're gonna fry some Chinese frozen dumplings. And firstly, we're gonna get a pan like this, anything with flat bottom. And now we're gonna heat the pan. When the pan a bit warm, and we put 2-3 teaspoons oil. Any oil like veg or groundnuts oil. So make sure the bottom got the oil. And then now we can put all the dumplings in the pan. Doesn't matter how close they are, because they wouldn't stick to each other as we got oil in the pan. So I'm planning cooking 70. After a couple of minutes, we're going to add some water. And make sure the water can cover half dumpling, half level dumplings. And then put your lid back on. And cooking for 15 minutes, because I'm frying some vegetable dumplings. If it's meat, then it has to be 20. So veg for 15 minutes. Nice, golden and crispy. This is one portion. Fried vegetable frozen dumplings. Beautiful, golden and crispy. Thank you for watching.